Hello guys, this website will pay you when you perform tasks on their website. Now if you look at this, there are a lot of tasks here. There are a lot of tasks you perform here. And mind you, this is not a scam. It's something I have tried out. And I know people that have used this website. Some people use this website to make a lot of money. This website performs a lot of purposes. So with this website, you can as well get visitors to your website. Maybe you are a blogger, you need traffic to your website. You can as well get traffic from this website to your website. So there are a lot of users on this website. So, but that's not what I'm going to show you today. So in this video, I'm going to just show you how you can earn money by performing all these simple tasks on this website. So let me go ahead and click on one of the tasks we have here. Now I'm going to click on this task. I'm going to click on apply. Now, if I scroll down, now this is the job description. So they're going to give you the guideline on how you can get this task done. So you come over here, step 1, you go to Google search, you search on this keyword, and then stay there for 1 minute and 30 seconds in that post. All you need to do is to read through the steps, follow the instruction carefully. When you are done, you'll be asked to enter the required proof of the job finished. And then when you do that here, you upload the image here. It's very simple. All you just need to do is to follow the instruction, read through this thing. But once you are done, in few hours or in less than an hour, you'll be credited with this amount of money. Now let me show you the proof of the payment I received. Now this is my email. I just tried to perform one task. When I did that, they paid me. Look at this, job amount payment successfully. Now they credited this amount of money into my account. So it's not a scam. Now there are a lot of jobs here. Let me go back. So now you see there are a lot of jobs here. So if you take your time and do this, at the end of the day, you can make like $10 or $15 because there are some tasks that are like $10. Look at this. This one is $10. And mind you, like I said, this is not a scam site. They pay you because they have thousands of users. So there are a lot of tasks. Look at the tasks I performed here. I just created an email address, sent them the login details, and they paid me this amount. And the vacancy available is like 32. So what is going to happen is that you can perform all these tasks every day. So if you perform all these tasks today, you earn $10 or $20, and then tomorrow you go ahead and perform the same task, $10. At the end of the month, you get something reasonable. So it all depends on you. If you choose to spend much time on this website, then you're going to make good money. So let me show you how you can sign up on this website. So the name of this website is called Pico Workers. Let me show you how you can sign up. Ensure you don't skip any part of this video so that you won't make mistake. Follow me from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of the video. So now this is the home page of the site. So what you are going to do now, you can see if you click on this find micro jobs, it will take you to that page I showed you, where you will see the list of jobs available for that day. So you see, look at all the jobs that you have available for today. So we are going to create an account with them. That's the first thing you are going to do, is to create an account. So you come over here and click on register. You input your username. So I can just choose this username, email address, then your phone number. Now you select your country. So you input your password here. After that, you agree, you register. Now you see they said no special character, space or capital letters in the username. So you see I have capital letter here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the capital letter. Then I'm going to input my password again. Now my account has been created. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to input my first name and then my last name, then my address, then I'm going to input my state, then your zip code. So once you do that, you now click on submit. So look at your dashboard here. So this is awesome. So you are done signing up. So what you need to do again is that you need to create a PayPal account. Now, creating a PayPal account, if you are in Nigeria, you are not eligible to create PayPal accounts. So you need to use a VPN to create PayPal account. So you can go ahead and use VPN and then create a PayPal account. Or if you are having issues creating PayPal accounts, all you need to do is just to forget about the PayPal account now. Work on this website. Start performing tasks on this website. Now, when you want to withdraw money, you can just send me a message, and then I will link you with someone that will help you create your PayPal account for you. Like me, I have a UK PayPal account. That person created that PayPal account for me. So what you need to do is that just perform tasks on this website. When you want to make use of the PayPal account, just contact me. In less than 15 minutes, your PayPal account will be ready. So don't be in a hurry to create PayPal account first. Hold on. Perform tasks on this website. When you do that, and then you see that you are eligible to withdraw, you can create a PayPal account. Like I said, this is not a scam site. This site has thousands of users. This site performs different purposes. You can drive traffic to your website with this website. There are a lot of things we do on this website. So what they do is that they pay you when someone wants to, let's say, drive traffic to his website. The person will deposit a little money there. You can see deposit here. And then what you do is that you are the one to visit that site. So you are now the worker, you are working for them. So when a client comes to them, pay them money so that they can deliver a particular task, you will be the one to work for them and they will pay you. This website has been in existence for a very long time. So you can come over here, click on jobs. You can see the jobs that you have finished will be displayed here. Your job history will be displayed here. You can even create job. Let's click on this so that you see. So this, you can create a job here. Let's say you want visitors on your website, or you want some people that can help you create Gmail accounts. You can do that here, and then you are going to deposit some money here, so that when once those people do that, they can remove from your money and pay them. So if you are performing tasks here, they are removing from someone's money to pay you. So this site, like I said, is not a scam. Take your time, perform tasks on this website. I assure you that you are going to make money from this website. So if you want to see the available jobs, you can come over here, click on jobs. So these are the available jobs for today. Just click on any of them, follow the instruction carefully. Now, if you want to withdraw money from this website, it's very simple. All you need to do is to go back to your dashboard. Then you come over here to where you have withdraw. You click on withdraw. Withdraw now. Now you see there are two gateways you can receive payment. There are two methods. We have PayPal and Payee. So you can forget about this for now. Perform tasks on the site. When you have up to like $8, you can just send me a message. If you have really learned a lot from this video, please go ahead and like my video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification so that when I drop amazing videos like this, YouTube will send you a notification. So the name of the website is picoworkers.net. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Don't fail to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next video.